how to access Sakai, statistics on Sakai. So you go to your site that you want in Sakai, and so there's either a tab on the left hand side here that says statistics, but most likely it's not loaded. It's not one of the default ones. So you would have to click here on site info, go to manage tools, and then these are all the tools. I really would make sure that chat rooms is on, assignments, announcements, forums, gradebooks. Meetings was what we were supposed to have, that was going to be like Teams to do recordings, but that didn't work out. Polls, resources should be a default. Site info, so here's statistics. Statistics and tests and quizzes isn't always there, so click on them, click continue. It'll give you a list of the tabs that will be available. You'll click finish, and then yeah, you'll just go down here to statistics. I'm yet to truly understand them, so I will not explain further, but you can see activity. This is, I assume, is your resources tab and your lessons page. How many files are there? How many files of those 38 have been opened? I don't know how accurate this is, because I mean, if you've gone and tested them, then it would say 100% has been opened. Pages read. This is your most read page. User who's read the most active user. So I mean, you can go through this. I assume this is the overview. You can also click on this down arrow to get other stats. So I assume this is number of people, but I mean 467, or is that 467 times that somebody was on the site? Because if there's only 40 people in the class, that doesn't make sense. So please let me know if you know all of these things. So you could, oh, that's a nice thing. So here you could take out instructor, which would be yourself, and just look at students. So you can see on Monday when I took out instructor, it went from, when I took out all, it went from 467, and I only looked at students, it went to 405. So that's a nice thing. So announcements, resources, site info. So let's look at resources. It's the main thing people are looking at. Nobody's looking at announcement, it seems. But that doesn't seem right, because there have been announcements. By user, oh, that's a nice thing. So here you can see people, the number of people getting in there. So Roger and I are the most dedicated students. By tools, okay, so these are your different options. View complete report, you could go in. So this is how we can start looking at our stats for our sites.